Hey guys, I've had some issues with my refrigerator ice maker. It's a Samsung. And so what I've decided to do is walk you through what I've been told, and maybe it might help you. So first off, you have to turn off the refrigerator because the ice maker is so iced up that you can barely get the ice tray out of it. So I actually just went grocery shopping. So there's a lot of stuff on the counters that I still need to put in to the freezer and such, but I wanted to make sure that I got the ice maker working. Since I have to turn off the ice maker anyway, I have some of it in coolers so that it'll stay cool just in case. So here you can see, so what they've told me to do is you push freezer, alarm, and fridge simultaneously at the same time. When you do that, there will be an O here and then two Fs. It almost looks like 0FF is what will pop up. And you're gonna hold it for 3 seconds. Do you see it? So I didn't hold it for 3 seconds because I've already turned it off. But you hold it for about 3 seconds, then it'll say off, and that's the way it'll look. And then the water button will still pop on. So they want you to wait for a little while. I've waited just a little bit. And so as you can see, the ice maker here, when I do this, I can't, you can even hear the ice coming out of it. I can't get the ice maker out. So give me a second, I need both hands. Let me get the ice maker out. Okay, so I took the ice maker out, and as you can see, there is tons of ice, just frozen all in there, So we're gonna defrost it. That's the point of turning off the whole refrigerator. So I don't want to make everything go bad, and I want to keep the refrigerator as cool as possible. So we are going to close this and allow it to defrost. Okay, so I set a timer for 3 hours, and I will check back in 3 hours and see how the ice looks. If it's not defrosted by 3 hours, I will take a blow dryer to speed up the process. And then hopefully once all that is done, I can reset it by hitting the reset button and allowing it to hopefully reset and work again. Okay, so it's been a little longer than 3 hours. The refrigerator has been off, and I'm going to check again. At 3 hours, it was still frozen. It's still extremely frozen. So that is what it looks like still. Still tons of ice. So now I'm going to use the blow dryer and start to speed up the process a little bit. And hopefully that will help. Made all the ice melt. As you can see, there's no more ice in there. Cleaned up the water. So now you go to the top, and there's a button right there. See that button? I'm gonna hold it down until it beeps. And hopefully it'll beep soon. Anything would be nice. Oh, I'm not touching the button, that's why. There we go. Okay. That means that the ice maker's been reset. So now I'm going to put the tray in as it was. Make sure it's in there. Everything's good. Okay, so now hopefully it'll make ice. I'll let you know. Okay, so I held the freezer, the alarm, and the fridge button all at the same time for about 3 to 4 seconds. As you saw when I opened the refrigerator and closed it, it'll tell you what the temperature of the refrigerator is right now. The freezer is still the same, so the refrigerator is a little high, obviously, because we had to open up the refrigerator. It's been turned off for about 5 hours, so that temperature will go back down, but I'll let you know if it makes ice. Okay, so I left this alone all night, didn't want to bother it. It is now early in the morning. I have not heard anything yet, but we're going to test it because hopefully, cross your fingers, it works. Oh, It works. Let's try some crushed ice. You hear it. Voila. It works. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave comments on if you liked it or not, and if this helped you. Hopefully it did.